This is Google's new AI advisor feature. I'm going to show you how it works. Once inside your Google Ads dashboard, click on the Ads Advisor. Some accounts might not have it yet, so just wait for a couple of weeks, eventually roll out into your account. Click Ads Advisor, and then you can use it just like any other LMM. And then you can ask questions, prompt it. There are two agents in this new feature. It's the Ads Advisor and the Analytics Advisor. They're all using the latest Gemini models. First, you can simply ask it any questions on how you can optimize your current campaigns for an upcoming promotion. So Gemini is now looking and doing its initial investigation and then looking for recommendation, analyzing the campaign performance data, and then also doing a deeper analysis. Again, pretty impressive for a free feature inside your Google Ads account. Okay, so it did give me a couple of holiday marketing ideas for this particular client. I'll just blur out the private details. But as you can see here, it also gave me recommendations as well as campaign performance in the last 30 days, which is pretty awesome. So because I asked it to give me marketing ideas for the upcoming holiday, it gave me an idea to create holiday themed ads, develop a holiday gift guide, which is really awesome as well, and then run social media content. Right now, we're going to do this first part using this tool as well. So that's the second thing that I'm testing out is I okay. So what I did is that I prompted it to create 15 Google headlines and then 10 Google descriptions for the upcoming holiday themed idea or campaign that I'm planning to launch. And there you have it, just like that, in just a few clicks of a button and in less than 2 minutes, it gave me compelling headlines, descriptions. For me, this is just mind-blowing and a huge time saver because you don't need to go back and forth in ChatGPT or Perplexity or Claude to create your headlines or descriptions and just work with this. I'm going to talk about a couple of things that I wish it had, but for someone who's already managing thousands of dollars in paid ad spend daily, this is a huge time saver because again, I can launch campaigns really, really quick with the use of this AI advisor tool. Now, here's what it can do yet. Okay, so I just prompted it if it can help me create an image and video because I know Google has Nano Banana and Google Veo, but unfortunately that for now, it doesn't have that capability. So it can only create text-based assets like headlines and descriptions, but it's still unable to create images and videos, which is totally fine. Nevertheless, because it's Google Gemini and you can use it for text-based prompting, I still asked it to create an image and video prompt that I can now use Google Nano Banana or on Google Veo. So there you have it. I have a couple of like image prompt ideas here that I can use. If you would like a complete walkthrough and video on how I'm using this new Google AI Advisor, send me a DM and I'll send you the link to this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.